Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to check IMEI info and serial number. So we've got two options to choose from. I will show you the both. And first of all, let's open the phone dialer and let's type *#06#. And as you can see, the IMEI and serial number info just pops out. So let's click OK. And now let's find it through the settings. So open the settings. Let's click on About Phone. Let's click All Specs. And let's find the status. And as you can see here, we've got two IMEI numbers. And let's click on Model and Hardware in order to find serial number. So that's all. This is how you check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.